Hello sewing friends, welcome back to Ellie's Style. In today's tutorial, we're diving into something special for the little ones. I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful A-line skirt pattern, and then we'll take it a step further by transforming it into adorable culottes for a girl who's 110 cm tall. Whether you're sewing for your daughter, niece, or young friend, this easy pattern will have them twirling in no time. Let's get started. Draw the basic lines. Start by drawing a vertical line. Determine the hip line and the skirt length and draw horizontal lines at these points, ensuring they are 90 degrees to the vertical line. On the hip line, measure half of the hip measurements plus 2 cm. Mark the midpoint on this line. Divide the distance on each side of the midpoint into thirds and mark these points. Draw vertical lines at these points to establish the side seams and the fullness line. Adjust the side line. On the side seam, move up 0.7 cm from the waistline and draw a line parallel to the waistline. Determine darts and side slope. Calculate the difference between the hip and waist measurements. Distribute this difference between the side seams and the darts. For example, if the difference is 5.5 cm, you might assign 2.5 cm to the side seams, 1 cm to the front dart, and 2 cm to the back dart. Use a set square at the intersection of the waistline and side seam, then extend this line with a smooth curve. Draw darts. Add darts on the front and back pieces, ending 3 cm above the hip line. Close darts and add fullness. Cut along the dart lines to close them and add fullness to the pattern. Measure the fullness added to the front piece and ensure the back piece has the same amount. Cut the back piece, close the dart, creating the same fullness as the front. Measure remaining dart and draw a new one in the middle of the waist with the length of 7 to 9 cm. Adjust the side and hem. Add 2 to 3 cm of fullness to the side seam and blend it smoothly into the waistline. Correct the hemline by taking the first intersection as the center. Measure the radius from the previous hemline and mark it on the new hemline, resulting in a smooth curved hem. These steps complete the A-line skirt pattern for a girl with a height of 110 cm. Convert to culottes pattern. From the waistline, measure down the body rise plus 1 to 2 cm. From that point, measure up by 1/8 of the hip measurement minus 2 cm. Draw a 90-degree horizontal line. Mark this distance 1/8 hip minus 2 cm along this line. Complete the rectangle. Mark the midpoint to use as a guide for drawing the crotch curve. This completes the front piece of the culottes. Create the back piece. Follow the same steps as for the front piece, but adjust the crotch curve formula to 1/8 of the hip measurements plus 2 to 3 cm. For the guide point on the back piece, mark half of the line length plus 0.5 cm. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy creating these sweet patterns. If you have any questions or need a little extra help, just leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more sewing inspiration. Take care and happy sewing!